ऑल ऑफ यू, ये वीडियो जो है इट्स अबाउट रिवर गंगा सिस्टम। हालांकि गंगा सिस्टम बोल तो रहा हूँ बट आई विल नॉट डिस्कस यमुना, उसको हम एक और वीडियो में करेंगे। इन दिस आई विल डिस्कस द मेजर लेफ्ट बैंक एंड आई विल मेंशन द राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज ऑफ गंगा सिस्टम। गंगा इज अ वेरी बिग रिवर, सो मेक श्योर आप रिवर पढ़ते समय रिवर बेसिन के साथ पढ़ें, रिवर को ड्रॉ करें, द सिटीज, द इम्पॉर्टेंट HEP प्रोजेक्ट्स इफ एनी, नेशनल पार्क्स किस माउंटेन से निकलती हैं, कौन सा सिटीज अलॉन्ग द रिवर्स हैं। If you do this much of work and it takes not more than 15-20 minutes per river, you'll remember the river systems better. So here I get started for river Ganga and the Ganga system. Now river Ganga कहलाती है from Devprayag. Devprayag which is near Rishikesh, about 70-80 kilometers from Rishikesh से, वहाँ से वो गंगा river कहलाती है. Above Devprayag, there are two important head streams. One is called as Bhagirathi, which is on the western side, and Alaknanda, which is on the eastern side. इसके लिए एक और वीडियो है, please do look up the river systems of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. So from Devprayag it becomes Ganga, and Ganga enters the plains at Haridwar. Haridwar तक river जो है वो mountains में है, it is in the Himalayan system, and once it crosses Haridwar, it is the foothills, and from there it becomes the proper Ganga of the plains. Now, Ganga system has important left bank tributaries. You stand along the river, the tributaries on the left-hand side are called left bank tributaries, and the rivers on the right-hand side are called as right bank tributaries. The right bank tributaries में तीन main rivers हैं. One is river Yamuna, which joins at Prayagraj, and river Son that joins near Patna. एक और river है river Tons, 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 या फिर Tamsa river. Tamsa river originates from parts of Vindhyas, passes through regions near Riva, and joins Ganga bit downwards of Allahabad or Prayagraj. एक जगह है called as Sirsa, वहाँ पर river Tons goes and joins river Ganga. But एक बात और याद रहे, एक Tons river यमुना का भी tributary है. It passes in the hills of Uttaranchal, a place called as Kalsi. वहाँ पर भी river Tons है, and that's a pretty big river and a source region of river Yamuna. I'm talking about Tons of Ganga river, which is east of river Yamuna and joins Ganga near Allahabad or Prayagraj at a place called as Sirsa, Sirsa. So these are the right bank tributaries. Now the left bank tributaries में जो major rivers हैं, it is Ram Ganga, then we have Gomti, then we have Ghagra. After Ghagra it is Gandak. After Gandak, the major one is river Kosi. Then we have Mahananda. Now, between Gandak and Kosi, एक और river भी है called as Buri Gandaki or Buri Gandak. So most of us miss this out. They consider Buri Gandak as a tributary of Gandak. No, Buri Gandak, Burhi. It is also a tributary of Ganga river or alag river है from Gandak. So these are the main rivers on the left bank tributary. I repeat, Ram Ganga, then we have Gomti, we have Ghagra, we have Gandak. You can add Burhi Gandak, river Kosi, and further eastward, एक और river है called as Mahananda River. Mahananda River originates from parts of Darjeeling and goes and joins Ganga in Bangladesh. So these are the main rivers on the left-hand side, the left bank tributaries. Now one by one, जो river Ram Ganga है, it originates in the Himalayas, middle Himalayas से, and it flows across cities or near cities like we have got Moradabad, we have the Jim Corbett National Park. Ram Ganga Plains is also called as Rohilkhand Plains, and Ram Ganga goes and joins Ganga at Kannauj. Kannauj has been a very important center of trade, of important industries. Kannauj is very important for perfume industries. And if you remember it of history, Harshvardhan के time में Kannauj was the capital of his empire. So ये है राम गंगा tributary, जिसका plains को हम कहते हैं Rohilkhand Plains. And like I said, it is a major river passing through the Jim Corbett National Parks and parts of Uttaranchal like near Nainital and so on. The next important river is river Gomti. Now, of all the major rivers of Ganga, river Gomti का origin is almost in India. Other rivers, trans-boundary rivers बन जाते हैं. Gomti from near this place called as Pilibhit पीलीभीत के पास में शिवालिक रेंजेस हैं. द शिवालिक रेंजेस देयर आर कॉल्ड एज दूधवा हिल्स. वहाँ पे एक दूधवा नेशनल पार्क भी है, टाइगर सेंचुरी भी है. From near Pilibhit, which is not very far from Bareilly, a river Gomti originates, is among the smaller rivers of the left bank tributary. River Gomti goes and joins Ganga near this place called as Ghazipur. And Gomti ka jo plains hai, it's called as Awadh Plains or Gomti Plains. And Lucknow is on Gomti. Now, one more important interesting thing about river Gomti is it has a very big tributary called as river Sai. Sai river goes and joins Gomti near a place called as Jaunpur. जौनपुर भी रिवर गोमती के अलॉन्ग ही है रिवर साई. सो साई रिवर जो है वो गंगा का ट्रिब्यूटरी नहीं है, इट्स द ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ रिवर गोमती. द नेक्स्ट रिवर दैट यू कैन रिमेंबर इज रिवर घाघरा. नाउ घाघरा इज अ वेरी बिग रिवर. इट्स अ ट्रांस boundary river originating from parts of Nepal. And Nepal में it's also called as Karnali river. Karnali is a major river of western Nepal. इसके अलावा जो मेन हेड स्ट्रीम ऑफ रिवर घाघरा है, इट इज इन पार्ट्स ऑफ उत्तराखंड. देयर इज दिस ग्लेशियर कॉल्ड एज मिलाम ग्लेशियर. वहाँ से द सोर्स रिवर इज कॉल्ड एज गौरी गंगा, sometimes also referred to as Dudh Ganga river. This river becomes river Kali. It then becomes river Sarda. And the Sarda river ultimately is called as Ghagra in parts of UP. And if you know, river Sarda or Saryu river is also having the famous town or heritage called as Ayodhya. Ayodhya जो है इसी सरयू या सारदा रिवर पे, which essentially is the Ghagra river. And Ghagra river comes and joins Ganga near the place called as Chhapra. Now you can remember Ghagra के बारे में there is one more river called river Rapti. River Rapti also originates from parts of Nepal, and it passes through Gorakhpur and then it joins the Ghagra system. So Sarda and Rapti river, they are part of the Ghagra system. And Sarda, जो river Kali बोलते हैं, it also becomes a boundary between India and Nepal, and there are some issues because river Kali is a meandering river. So I've discussed three important rivers. One is the Ramganga river. Then we discussed river Gomti with its tributary called as river Sai. And then we have discussed Ghagra river. Ghagra joins Ganga near the place called as Chhapra. इसके बाद में we have the important river called as Gandak river. Gandak river या Gandaki river, it originates in again Nepal. It's a transboundary river. And Gandak river in Nepal is also called as Narayani river. Again a very big river. It enters India from the northwestern part of Bihar. There's a West Champaran district. वहाँ पर वाल्मीकि नेशनल पार्क भी है. Gandak flows through Valmiki National Park and enters into Bihar. Gandak river is a major tributary of Ganga and it's part of Bihar. And it ultimately goes and joins Ganga near Patna. पटना के पास में पटना का एक ट्विन टाउन है कॉल्ड एज हाजीपुर. आज के डेट में पटना हाजीपुर ऑलमोस्ट कनेक्टेड है थ्रू अ ब्रिज. यू कैन नॉट डिफरेंशिएट मच, बट गंडक रिवर गोज एंड जॉइंस गंगा नियर हाजीपुर. यह है रिवर गंडक. नाउ गंडक के फर्दर ईस्ट में एक और रिवर है कॉल्ड एज बूढ़ी गंडक और बूढ़ी गंडकी. ये अलग रिवर है कंप्लीटली. It goes and joins Ganga near Bhagalpur, Munger के पास में, and it receives a river called as Bagmati. Bagmati river flows from near Kathmandu. Okay, and the plains of Gandak river are called as Betia plains, and the plains of Buri Gandak and Bagmati are called as Motihari plains. I'm sure you've heard about Motihari, very important region of northern Bihar. Motihari plain जो है वो बूढ़ी गंडक and river Bagmati है. और the Betia plains, Champara region, this is part of the Gandak river. Further eastward you have the big river called river Kosi. Now river Kosi, again from parts of Nepal, it receives tributaries like Sapt Kosi, river Arun, Sun Kosi. And river Kosi ultimately drains and joins Ganga near again Bhagalpur, Munger. And importantly, river Kosi is a notorious river because river shifting. It caused a lot of floods. In fact, in the first tenure of Nitish Kumar, when he became the CM, they had a massive floods. And the management of which actually made Nitish Kumar very popular because of his administration skills dealing with the disasters. So that is the river Kosi. River Kosi पे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डैम भी है जस्ट एट द बॉर्डर ऑफ इंडिया नेपाल. हनुमान नगर बैरेज है. and this dam has been part of regulating the water flow into river Kosi. And further eastwards we have Mahananda River, like I told you. Mahananda River का origin जो है वो दार्जिलिंग से है. It comes down, it receives other small rivers, including a river called as Karkai River and Kankai River. And it comes and joins Ganga in Bangladesh, not in India. तो ये हैं आपके rivers on the left hand side. I quickly revise for you. We have Ramganga River, we have Gomti River, we have Ghagra River along with Rapti and Sarada. We have river Gandak, also called as Narayani River, or Budhi Gandak, Kosi and Mahananda River. Mahananda River is also, by the way, passing through a national park called as Mahananda National Park. So remember this, west to east rivers of Ganga, there's a wacky small mnemonic that I created long back and I see people using it. You also can use it. So mnemonic is Ram Jane Gomti ka Ghagra Ganda Kaise. Ram Jane, R is Ram Ganga, Gomti as in river Gomti ka Ghagra, Ghagra is a Ghagra river, Ghagra, Ganda Kaise, Ganda is Gandak and Kaise is Kosi. In this mnemonic I have left out Budhi Gandak and Mahananda River. In fact, this has been asked in one of the recent prelims में पूछा गया था ईस्ट वेस्ट सीक्वेंस 2024 के prelims में, और वैसे भी river Ganga tributaries are in news. Please know these rivers. Now, quickly recalling again, we have Rohilkhand Plains, which is part of Ramganga River. It also passes to Jim Corbett National Park. Gomti Plains is also called as the Awadh Plains. Both Rohilkhand and Gomti become part of Upper Ganga. The Ghagra Plains, when we have river Sarada and Saryu River, is called as Saryu Plains or Sarju Plains in general. The Gandak plains is called as Betia Plains. The plains of Budhi Gandak Bagmati, they are called as the Motihari Plains. And Kosi का एक अलग से ऐसा कुछ नाम नहीं है. You can remember this as Kosi Plains. But on this side we have what's called as Madhubani Plains also. So ये plains के भी नाम याद रखिए. And river Ganga from the right hand side, मैंने बताया आपको 3 tributary, Yamuna River, एक Tons River और Tamsa River, and the Son River. Son River originating from parts of Amarkantak, joining Ganga again near Patna, Dehri on Son, वहाँ आके join करती है. Now there's this place in West Bengal called as Murshidabad. Murshidabad near Malda region, part of Bengal Bangladesh border में. From there, river Ganga enters into Bangladesh. Bangladesh में Ganga is called as river Padma. और वही मुर्शिदाबाद से there's a distributary that goes down south along West Bengal. It is called as river Hooghly. Hooghly is one of the branches of river Ganga, where river Ganga starts breaking up. The main Ganga enters Bangladesh as river Padma, and one towards India is called as Hooghly. And Hooghly receives 2 rivers, 2 big rivers, river Ajay and river Damodar, as tributaries. So much of the Bangladesh and West Bengal are actually deltaic regions, and the lower course of Ganga. The delta region proper in Bangladesh, Bengal is also called as the Sundarbans. So with this, you have a fair idea about the Ganga system. Please jot down this, make some drawings. I have mentioned it patiently. Dobara sun lo. You will remember the major rivers of Ganga, and I will record another video for river Yamuna to tell you details of river Yamuna and the Chambal system, which is part of the Yamuna system. Keep watching me for these kind of videos. I'll help you revise all the rivers, and by the time you have done this, you'll be able to answer the PYQs also on rivers and river systems.
Geography Optional Foundation course by Shabir Sir, where you will get live interactive classes and course completion in a module-based approach. Scan the QR code and join now.